Children, we have to continue question number 1 B part. Yesterday we did till A. A refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold for rupees 13,500. We have to find the profit or loss, and also we have to find the profit percent or loss percent if it's a profit or loss respectively. So here whatever is given, that we are going to write first. So what is given? A refrigerator was bought for. So bought for means its cost price. Its cost price is rupees 12,000 and sold. That means it will be the sale price or the selling price, which is 13,500. Okay. So we have to find profit or loss. So to find profit or loss, we compare CP and SP. If CP is greater, it's a loss. If SP is greater, it's a profit. We've already discussed this. So we can write here CP. Who is greater here? SP is greater, na? So CP is smaller than SP. That is, SP is greater, you can say. So it's a loss. Yes. Now how to find out loss? We know. Sorry, it's a profit. It's a profit. So it's a profit. When SP is greater, it's a profit. So how to find out profit, children? How to find out profit? Profit is equal to, profit or loss is always the difference of CP and SP. When it's a loss, then to get the loss, we subtract CP and SP, that is CP minus SP, and when it's a profit, we minus SP and CP, that is SP minus CP. So SP, that is selling price minus cost price. Selling price 13,500 minus 12,000. Now, when you subtract 13,500 and 12,000, you get 1,500. 1,500 is your answer. Yes? 1,500 is your answer. Now, we have to find the profit percent. So, what should be the profit percent? Profit percent is what? Profit upon CP into 100. So, what is the profit? 1,500 upon CP. How much is the CP? 12,000 into 100. So, we just cancel the zeros. Okay. Then, we have to divide 12 and 150. So, we are going to divide 12 and 150. So, first let's make it into its simpler form, means they both will be divided by 2. You can say 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 5. So 75 and 6 is left. 75 by 6. So we divide 75 and 6. There is no space here. 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. So this is 3. Okay, now we can put the decimal, we can divide further, or we can also write like this: 12 and 3 by 6. Now 3 and 6 both are divisible by 3. 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So your answer comes out to be 12 rupees 2,500. The cost price is rupees 2,500 and selling price is equal to rupees 3,000. So again we will compare here to find out whether it's a profit or a loss. So here again CP and SP. Now who is greater? CP is greater or SP is greater? Obviously SP is greater, so again it's a profit. So it's a profit. And how to find out profit? Profit is equal to, profit is the difference of these two, that is P is equal to SP minus CP, that is 3,000 minus 2,500. Now when we subtract 3,000 and 2,500, we get the answer as 500. Okay, so the profit is rupees 500. Now we have to find the profit percent, children. We have already discussed the formula of profit percent. Profit percent is given by profit upon CP into 100. So profit is how much? 500. CP is how much, children? CP is 2,500 into 100. We cancel the zeros. Okay, now 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50 and 25 zeros are 0. Okay, so 20. So the answer is how much? 20%. Okay, so this completes the C part. Now we do the D part, children. Now we start with the D part. A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. So bought means CP rupees 250 and sold means SP rupees 150. So again first we find the profit or loss. Yes. So how do we find profit or loss? As today in the Zoom class you said, ma'am, by comparing. So by comparing the CP and SP, we find profit or loss. So here CP is greater, correct? CP is greater and profit is, SP is smaller. So it's a loss. Now, since it's a loss, how to find the loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Ulta, na? The bigger number comes first. Now CP is how much? 250. So CP minus SP. So loss is equal to 250 minus 150, which is actually 100. Correct? So rupees 100 is the loss. This is not the loss percent. This is the loss. Now we have to find the loss percent, and we have already studied the formula for loss percent, that is loss upon CP into 100. And how much is the loss? 100 upon how much is the CP? 250 into 100. Okay, now let's cut down the zeros. Only one zero gets cancelled. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. Then this 5 and 100 can get cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 20s are 100. Now 20 into 2